Hi, Julie here, your makeup artist with Seint, and I want to show you this morning a little 2-finger step of applying some eyeshadow for mature eyes that I learned, just the other day, okay? I'm going to take our bronzer. I'm going to take Bella because that's what I have in my makeup kit, and I'm going to apply this just to, okay, notice how I'm just kind of dotting it, and then I'm just blending it with my finger. Okay, I used it in the crease and blended it out. It's kind of like putting on cream makeup. All right, that's kind of fun. Then I'm going to take one of our illuminators. I'm going to take Pearl. And I'm going to, again, dip my fingers in the Pearl and blend it all over from top to bottom. Just a little bit of Pearl, and it blends it in so, it's so pretty. So, 2 products that you may already have in your palette. The bronzer, I used Bella, or you can use tan lines, and the Pearl Illuminator, a simple look for your eyes today for mature or maybe not so mature women. Enjoy.